Ms. Holbrook here. I just wanted to go over a quick review on how to solve for proportional percents. Let's take a look at this question. As a part of a survey, 300 girls were asked to name their favorite sport. The results showed that 12 of the girls named bowling as their favorite sport. What percentage of the girls in the survey named bowling as their favorite sport? So first off, we need to remember how to set up a percent proportion. If you remember, our formula is part over whole is equal to percent over 100. So we need to think about what we need and what we have. It says 300 girls were asked to name their favorite sport. So 300 would be our whole. Then it says 12 of those girls named bowling their favorite sport. So 12 is going to be our part. So our whole and our part. We already know the 100, so we are actually missing this percent. And so we're going to name this n, our missing number. So after you set it up, what do? Well, we cross multiply and then we see if we can solve for n. So we're going to do 300 times n, which is just 300n, which is equal to 12 times 100, which is 1200. We need n to be on its own side, so you're going to divide by 300. Divide this by 300. The best part about this is you can just cross those zeros out because they cancel each other out. So we're not really dividing 1200 by 300, we're dividing 12 by 3. So 3 goes into 12 how many times? 4 times. Very good. So n, well, let's try that again. N equals 4 because 12 divided by 3 is 4. So looking all the way back to this right here, we were solving for a percent, so it's going to be 4%. Now we can look at our answer choices. What is our answer? It is F. Hope this was a helpful review.